Hi, Mama's boy. Where you going? Are you outside? Don't go off that blanket into that grass. Come here, baby. Give me this. Come here. Come on. No, no. Come back this way. Head this way. No, head this way. You're not going to. You're not allowed over that way. No, you gotta come back this way. Come on. There we go. Head that direction now. Hey, so look how pretty you are. Handsome, precious, everything. Come on, walk. Don't just lay there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, it's okay. Oh, there's a baby. I know I'm not mama. I know I'm not mama. You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, you can go back to mommy now too.